What's up, Tech fam? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hacker Fox Sec. Today we are going to talk about setting up and powering up ProxyChain 4, which is a tool available for Linux distributions. It is an ultimate tool for anonymous browsing and hiding yourself in the world of internet, and it is very much crucial for security testing. If you're a newbie here considering subscribing for more tech content, and if you're a networking newbie, don't worry, I have got you covered. Just going to break it down step by step like OGs. So let's get started and dive into the world of proxy chaining. So, what is proxy chain for? First of all, what is proxy chains? Proxy chains are a set of servers through which your device gets connected and then get into the network. Technically saying, it's a tool. Proxy chain 4 it's a tool that allows you to proxy your internet connection through multiple proxy servers, making it nearly impossible to track your online activities. It's like having a VPN but on steroids. With Proxy Chain 4, you can serve the web anonymously, test your network security, but even bypass geo restrictions. But before we dive into the setup, let's talk about the benefits of proxy chaining. Now, there is something called as hiding yourself as an hacker on the internet. So when you, as you can, I'll show you an image, and then you'll get a clear picture of that. So here you can see this is my device or my system, Mr. Fox, and this is connected to n number of servers. Here you can see there is server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4. And let's think that a hacker, Mr. Fox, is connecting to a server of a local company or a public server somewhere belonging to some individual, and then he keeps on chaining the server with different servers connecting again and again, and finally getting into the internet connection. This does a thing that is, it technically hides you completely, almost most at most percent from in the internet world. And a person, if he wants to track you, he need to get through the all the server logs that your computer is connected to. And this getting into the proxy chains and then getting into the internet also hides your geolocation. And as you can see here, there is a server 4, which can also be called as last node, and this determines your location. Even though you're somewhere in Mumbai, it may show that you're in some other country like Australia and US, depending upon the server's location, that is the last server's location. So, tears apart, let's get into the hands on. For our proxy chain configuration and setup, first we need to install proxy chain 4 on our Kali Linux machine. For that, I'll go to my Kali Linux machine, which is running over here. So, then the command for installing the proxy chain 4 is sudo apt install proxy chain 4, and it's asking for the password. Sorry, proxy chains, not proxy chain, proxy chains 4. Then now it's asking for continuity, that is yes. It may take some time. After this, as we need to get into the configuration of that, so we need to type sudo nano slash etc slash proxy chains 4.config and hit enter. As you can see, our ProxyChains 4 configuration file opens up here, and there's a n number of configuration settings. As you can see, the configuration settings is set to strict chain, in which each connections will be done via chained proxies. All proxies chained in the order as they appear in the list, and blah blah blah. And better, I would advise you to hash up this strict chain and hash down, that is enable dynamic chain. Here each connection will be done via chain proxies, all proxies chained in the order as they appear in the list, and at least one proxy must be online to play in a chain. So this would be a better settings for your system. And even you can go through round robin chain also according to your needs, and also the random chain. And after enabling that this after enabling this dynamic chain, you should go down, still go down. Here you can see there is something called as SOX 4. And again, you need to add a something called as advanced version of SOX 4, that is SOX 5, with the same loopback address and the port. Just to say, let's type SOX 5 space 127.0.0.1 space 9050. Once you're done with this, you can hit Control X and then yes. So now we are done setting up our proxy chains. So here I'm not able to reach anything for now. That's because we are something missing, that is Tor. For that we need to install Tor server, that is sudo apt install Tor. Hit enter. It's asked for confirmation, type Y. Once you're done with this, you need to start Tor, that is sudo service Tor start, and hit enter. So once you hit enter, now you can use your proxy chain again. For that, proxy chains for Firefox. Leak test, technically saying. Standard test. It may take some time, but now it says that I'm in Mumbai, in India. So, which is also not my connections. So, since it's on dynamic chaining, it may happen so. So, now you have successfully hidden from the internet. If you like my video, kindly consider liking my video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, kindly support my YouTube channel. Thank you.